Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add money to PayPal. First of all, go ahead and open the PayPal application on your mobile device and log into your account. From the home section, go ahead and tap on Wallet at the bottom right of the screen. Inside the Wallets tab, click on Add New button right next to Cards. You will then be able to see two different options that you want to add to your wallet. Choose Banks option or Debit and Credit Card option according to your preference. If you want to link a bank account, you can tap on Banks option and follow through the prompts, enter your banking information, and you will then be able to add your bank account onto PayPal. Similarly, if you want to add money from your credit or debit card, click on Debit and Credit Cards option and follow the instruction. After you do that, you will need to enter your card info or your bank account's info. Enter the details for your bank account or your credit card, type down your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and then your billing address, and finally click on Link Card. Right after you do that, you will be able to fund your PayPal account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you.